The two modes of ventilator are AC and SIMV. So, AC is for assistive control. This means full machine control over patient's respiratory rate. So, it's 100% machine control, typically we used after CPR or even in life support like long-term care client. The trick is AC for actively controlled breathing. Next is SIMV. This is known as weaning mode, so the fancy word is synchronized intermittent mendatory ventilator. Basically means the patient take control of its own breathing but the machine assist. So the memory trick is S for SIMV and S for step down. So we are stepping away from full control and allow the patient to take control of their own respiration.